Hi everyone, here I am in the kitchen. What a shock. I have a big event tomorrow at IGA in Medina, so I thought I'm going to make a heap of things out of my Christmas book to take and to share and to enjoy with everyone there. And one of the easiest ones was a recipe that I learned a long time ago in the States. I bought a packet of these and they were so delicious. They are so addictive, but they were so expensive. So I came home and figured out how to make them myself. And they were a really simple Christmas pretzel. And all you want to do is get a bag of pretzels, which I happened to buy on sale today for around $2.50. So a little pretzel like so. Then you want to take a block of chocolate, white chocolate. I took half of it and I just melted it. And then into that, dip your pretzel. Okay, so do two at a time maybe as well. You could do any kind of chocolate. Now you could completely coat the pretzel if you wanted to, but I'm just doing half because this pretzel's only really quite thin and small, so just half of chocolate is fine. And then if you're like me and you've got kids at school at the moment, you've got loads and loads of candy canes coming home. All the kids give each other candy canes. So loads and loads of candy canes coming home. So what I've done, then we're just going to put those onto a little paper lined tray. What I've done, I got my candy canes while they're still in their plastic, and I have just got my rolling pin or whatever hard object you've got and just start bashing like so. Because what you want to do is create a candy cane dust, okay? So you've got your pretzel like so. You've dipped it in your chocolate, your white chocolate. I just think the white chocolate is a really nice sweet balance to the saltiness of that and the crispiness of the pretzel. We're going to let all the excess chocolate fall back. And then we're going to pop that on a paper-lined tray. And we're going to get our candy cane dust and we're going to sprinkle over the top of our melted chocolate on the pretzel. Okay, so we're going to do that until the whole tray is basically full. And see some of the candy cane pieces, oh yummy. They're, some of the candy cane, they're nice fine dust, they're sort of little bits, they're large bits, they're little shards, large shards, medium shards. That's okay, it can be a little bit eclectic. So you just want as much of that kind of as you can to coat the white chocolate. So there you go, beautiful people. This is what we call our Christmas pretzel, and it is made with 3 simple ingredients. It's a beautiful combination of sweet and salty, and in making this, you don't even have to turn on your oven. So it's super simple as well. But what most people like about it is they're curious about the combination of flavors, because you get that really lovely burst of mint from the crushed up. Hello, everybody joining us. How are you all? You get that really lovely burst of mint with the candy cane dust. So you can even just dip it into it before you put it on your tray. So that's what that one looks like. Let's pop that on the tray. And then this one, that's what that one looks like. So can you see? That's your candy cane with your mint, with your white chocolate and your candy cane crush on top of it. So let me show you how they're starting to form on my baking tray. So can you see that? You're all following what I'm doing? Just my yummy salty pretzel, my white chocolate, and then my candy cane dust. And at this time of year, these are no longer chocolate-coated pretzels. They are Christmas pretzels. And if you've got a kindly neighbor or a teacher or someone that you want to just a little extra thank you for, from the cheap shop, just go and grab a $2 packet of cellophane bags, chill those in the fridge, and then pile them up with your candy cane. Absolutely beautiful. Tie a little bit of Christmas ribbon around the top of it, and in a highly busy high-tech world, a real busy high-tech world, something homemade is highly valued. So, this year, what we're encouraging everybody to do is don't buy it, bake it. Make something for someone you want to say thank you to this year, and use your 4 ingredients Christmas book, your little bombonera section in this book. is a perfect place to start when you're buying, not baking. Look at those angel's wings, a beautiful plump. Just use your home brand, your black and gold plump apricot. Dip it in white chocolate and then crushed pistachios. Chill it and then into your little cellophane bags with a beautiful little white or gold or silver ribbon. And at this time of year, they're called angel's wings. Look at that one. When you're entertaining next, just your cherries. Leave your stalks in. Dip your cherries in whatever chocolate you've got. Any chocolate's beautiful. White chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate. And, you know, chill them, and then onto your white plate. The white kind of pops against the red and the chocolate. And at this time of year, we call them cherry baubles. But the piece de resistance, the one that everybody loves, those ones there, the cookies and cream truffles. If you master nothing else this Christmas from this cookbook, master those. Oreos biscuits, cream cheese, chocolate, and then whatever extra ingredient you have to decorate. They are magnificent, and you will make them over and over and over again, but not just Christmas, all occasions. There's something everybody loves. Hello, everybody. Hope your weekend's going well. Oh, and don't forget at the moment too, go over to 4ingredients.com.au where and enter our current competition. As you look at our homepage on the left-hand side, up the top, there's a box that says enter to win. Click on that and follow the links. But at the moment, this beautiful chopping board here is made locally here on the Sunshine Coast by a company called Fab Slabs, the only 100% antibacterial chopping board I know to exist in the marketplace. We're giving away 12 of these plus a signed copy of 4 Ingredients Christmas in a couple of weeks. So go into that as well. You will absolutely love this little gift combo if you're lucky enough to win it. But you got to be in it to win it. Share and tag everyone you know as well, because they will also love it. But don't dilly-dally. Your chocolate will start to, I can see my chocolate starting to harden a little bit or thicken a little bit. So, you know, keep going. Crush up your candy canes before you start so your dust is ready. And then melt your chocolate, open up your pretzels so they're open and accessible. Line a tray with some baking paper and then melt your chocolate. 30-second increments takes about a minute to go nice and runny. And then you just put your pretzel, yummy salty pretzel, into your white chocolate and dip it into your candy cane. And believe me, that triage of flavors, the salty, the sweet, the minty, combined together to create Christmas magic. You, your family, and your friends will absolutely love it. And that's what 4 Ingredients Christmas, the cookbook, and all the recipes within is all about. It's about creating really super simple recipes, dressed to impress, but quick, easy, and delicious. So if you haven't got yourself a copy yet, make sure you look for it on sale. It's in all good bookstores and department stores. It's online, I think, for sale at the moment, delivered anywhere in the country for just for free, or anywhere in the world for $10 postage. So it is your go-to entertaining cookbook this Christmas. Breakfast, lunches, dinners, desserts, and a beautiful bonbonniere and drink section too. I've got you covered across the entire day. And guess what? It's all so easy. You'll love it. I'll post a little picky of these when I finish. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye. See ya.